Do you like the Victron gear like I do? You like the hardware, you like the software, the apps are great. I can be able to monitor, I can be able to control the Victron equipment by using the remote on or off. But in this case, I can do a lot more than just telling the inverter to turn off. I can also tell it to stop charging. And I can do this with the same function using the Mppt that they make with the remote on and off. In the case of the inverter charger, I'm going to be able to tell it to stop charging by using the auxiliary 1 and 2. And let me show you. Okay, more about the setup here. We have its mains are on, which is the charging, and its bulk. Inverter's on. And if we go look at the display, is 2000 watts. It's bulk charging, and it is 1400 watts AC load, which is a little heater I've got going for this demonstration. So in split phase to make 240 volts. Now this is all controlled by using the auxiliary 1 and 2. The lines are put into pairs so that we have it. We can control an open or closed circuit, which is a very low wattage, low voltage communication, just for control to turn it on or off. Here is the app running, and we can show that it's charging at 20 amps. So that's the battery being charged with 20 amps. So here's the control part. The BMS, let's pretend that the battery is now fully charged and it needs to tell the inverter to stop charging me. So I just go, again, this is demonstration, because the BMS would do this automatically once we have it set. Please note the settings now on the inverter charger. We're now on just mains on, no bulk charging, 2000 watts to 1300 watts. We're now doing the word pass through, so no bulk charging, and and the AC load is still 1300 watts. So what I have to do now, okay, and if we look at the battery itself, it shows that now the battery is not receiving any amps. It's 0.5222. Okay, no charge. It's passing through the AC in, and it's just supplying the load. Let's take the inverter, let's take the AC grid off now. Okay, so AC grid now is disconnected. We will note now that there's no charging, of course, because there's no AC in. And if we look at the display, we'll see that it's disconnected. We'll still see it's still inverting, and we'll still see that the AC loads are on. So again, in its demonstration, so now we can see that on the app, the battery is at 62 amps, okay, negative, because it's still inverting. Now let's simulate the fact that now the battery has been running and for hours, and now it's almost dead. So battery BMS needs to tell the inverter, hey, shut off. Okay, I'm being quiet, so the inverter charger is now off and the lights are off. Okay.